Hello, this is Amrita and let me introduce you all to your new favorite dessert. It's an easy, quick and fun treat for your sweet tooth. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Now for making Oreo ball, obviously we're going to need Oreo cookies. So here I'm opening the packet of Oreo cookie, taking one Oreo cookie and splitting it up. So we need to separate the cookie part and the cream part. Putting the cookie part in a mixer grinder, we will be needing a very fine powder out of that, and I'll put the cream part in the freeze. Now our powder mixture is ready. Now I'm pouring the cookie powder mixture in a plate, adding 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, trying to mix it up. Now I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of milk, but I'll add gradually and we'll make a very soft dough out of this. And here our cookie dough is ready. And see the consisting fat in the cookie is separating, so that's mean the dough is now done. Now here comes the cream part. Now again I'm making another dough out of this, and this dough is also done. I'm separating into two as we're going to make 2 Oreo balls. See, these are ready. Next here is the dough, dividing it again into 2 parts. So first we will make ball out of these 2 parts. First ball is done. Yeah. And the second one is also done. Now here are the 2 balls. One is the cream ball and another is the cookie ball. So flattening out the cookie ball, and we'll put the cream ball at the center and we'll close the edges. So basically you just need to do like we usually do while making stuffed paratha, and with the help of my palm I'm trying to give the shape of a ball, and these are ready. Meanwhile, I'm greasing the plate with butter, and here are the balls. See, I'm coating it with the chocolate syrup. So yeah, coating part is done. Dripping the extra chocolate syrup and placing it on the greased plate. Oops, I made it quite messy. Anyway, doing the second one. Yeah, coating it well. Second one is also done. Now again keep it in refrigerator for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it's done. As you can see, with the help of a knife I'm trying to show you. Yeah, plating part is done. See, it's yummy. Now here comes the serving part. Now you can decorate it with choco chips or sprinkles, anything. Here I am doing with the dry fruits. And now let me cut it and show you the super creamy center and the sinful cookie coating. See, isn't it yummy? So thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.